Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me Shiva Pokharel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga posture. That name is Yoga for Monsoon Season or Rainy Seasons. In this time, in our Nepal, India and in our Asia, there are monsoons is available. Rainy season is coming. Therefore, in this time we are suffering from common cold or sometimes cough, sometimes mucus is also in our mouth area. Therefore, it's responsible to cure in this time. Especially in this time, we are suffering from many diarrhea, suffering from especially our digestive system. Blood pressure is also very low. Sometimes we are feeling very weakness. Therefore, all these asana plays a vital role in this season. Therefore, you can apply all these yoga asana. Let's first start some yogic asanas, and then I will provide some pranayama as well. First and foremost important yoga posture is downward facing dog. Keep your feet measurement, and from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is a downward facing dog. This is also very good for our especially chest, especially for our lungs capacity. Then you can practice cat cow pose as well. Inhale, exhale. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then you can slowly Satsanga asana. You can relax on the Satsanga asana. Then slowly you can do Janu Sirsasana as well. Janu Sirsasana is also very good for rainy season. Inhaling 1 2 3 and hold 2 3 4 5 6. Very inhaling 1 2 3. Again you can practice other side as well. Inhale and exhaling. Then slowly inhaling. And other important yoga posture for the rainy season is fish pose. You can practice this fish pose as well. This is also very excellent yoga asana for our throat chakra, especially in this rainy season. Then slowly you can release the posture. Then you can practice other important yoga asana is Bhujanga asana. This is a baby cobra pose. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then you can practice cobra pose. Inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6. Exhaling 1 2 3. Inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6. Exhaling 1 2 3. Again inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6. Exhaling 1 2 3. Inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6. Exhaling 1 2 3. And relax on the Makarasana. Then you can slowly do other yogasana is bridge pose. This is also very excellent yogasana for cough, for common cold. In this rainy season we are always waiting in the water, especially in this time we are working in the field, and especially paddy, we are inhaling 1 2 3 and hold 2 3 4 5 6 and slowly we can practice Dhanur Chakrasana as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and slowly you can go. Other very important yoga posture is Sarvangasana. Slowly inhaling. First of all, you can balance your body. This is also very good for chest. Then you can do slowly Hala Asana. Hala Asana is also very excellent yoga asana for rainy season. Slowly release the posture, and then you can relax on the Savasana. Especially in this season, we are not able to sleep properly, therefore you can practice this Savasana. Savasana is also very good for parasympathetic nervous system. And slowly lie down on the side and hook up. Then other important your pranayam is you can practice Kapalbhati Kriya. Kapalbhati Kriya is also very good for rainy season, because in our nose nasal passage is blocked sometimes, and some allergy is also coming in this time. Our body is very heat, but outer side of environment is wet, therefore there is a reaction coming in our body. Therefore you can practice forcefully inhale exhale, especially upper area. Then hold few seconds. Then you can practice this Kapalbhati Kriya for especially 3 times. Then at last you can do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is also very good, especially for rainy season. Make Vishnu Mudra and Chin Mudra. By the help of thumb finger, you can close your right nostril, inhale and hold, exhale like it. Inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3, inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3, inhaling. Then you can practice some Kriya as well and Pranayama as well. thank you for watching my videos completely. In this time you can always eat very hygienic and very green vegetables and in our own homemade food. I'm going to finishing this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment on the comment box. If I have any query, questions, comment on the comment box. We'll meet next day. Bye bye. Namaskar. Have a nice day. Bye bye.